So in this video, you learn how to enable or disable Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to learn how to turn Wi-Fi on or off on your Fold, then this is what you're going to do. One of the methods that you can use is just by navigating to Settings. And once you're in Settings, you can tap on Connections. Under Connections, select the option Wi-Fi. And then from here, you should see a toggle at the top. So currently Wi-Fi is enabled, and you can see I'm even connected to this specific network. However, if I want to turn it off, I can just tap on the toggle like that, and Wi-Fi will be turned off. So now my device will not be able to connect to any mobile hotspots or even Wi-Fi networks that are around me. However, if I want to connect back to the internet using my Wi-Fi, then I can just tap on the toggle again to turn it on. If it detects any network that I've previously connected to, it will automatically reconnect. Another way you can enable or disable Wi-Fi is by using the Quick Settings panel. To do that, you're just going to swipe down until you find Quick Settings, and then you should see Wi-Fi at the very top. So currently it's glowing white, which means Wi-Fi is enabled. So if I want to turn it off, I'm just going to tap on that icon to turn it off. And then once it turns gray, it means that it's been disabled. So my device is no longer connected to Wi-Fi. However, if I tap on it once and it switches to white, it will now switch on the Wi-Fi and it will start scanning for any nearby networks it can connect to. And so that's how you can enable or disable the Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.